Perfect. First walk. How is it?
It's very good. I'm glad to stay the extra days for the therapy.
That's the hard bit. I needed a total knee replacement. My joints was very, very sore and I couldn't bend it or straighten it.
Were you afraid of going abroad for a treatment?
Yes, I was very.
And Eileen, you?
Yeah, I was terrified because you're coming to a different country, you don't know the language, you have no knowledge of the hospital, just the recommendation of the English doctor that told us about here.
And the recommendation on the internet as well.
And on the internet. So we were very apprehensive.
Uh-huh.
I think the minute we came here and met you,
Yeah, we knew things would be
you
okay.
totally reassured us.
I met the first nurse and the surgeon. They're excellent.
Everyone was fantastic. They were willing to answer any questions. They were so efficient.
And they
They knew what they were doing.
explained the whole procedure, what
Absolutely.
was going to happen, how long it would take, and what it would feel like afterwards.
And the fact that the surgeon himself came and did his
Check.
dressing. He actually, this I can't get over. He actually did his dressing the first about
3 days.
three days.
Come down, make sure everything
You know,
was okay, and
and
look at the
checked.
wound and
And
cleaned
checked
it.
his foot was working, checked everything, checked how how's
Much movement I had.
yeah, it was excellent. It was absolutely. I find the surgeon amazing. The care that he took, the time that he took. It wasn't a case of do the operation and move on. He kept coming back every single day to check that William was okay and that everything was all right with us.
I knew people say you go for 4 days. I know that is not enough. You have to do the physiotherapy. And I know when I went back home, it took me months to organise physiotherapy. So I decided to do the whole thing in one package here and get the physiotherapy while I was here. I know it cost a bit more and I had to stay a bit longer, but I think it actually proving the results.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You know, it speeded up the whole process for me to get back on my feet and walking. And I would recommend doing the physiotherapy.
Thomas, one of the physiotherapists, was absolutely amazing. When he explained the exercise that he wanted William to do, and William tried to do it, Thomas was able to tell him, you're not using the right muscle. You have to,
You have to do it this way.
he was absolute. Whereas at home, they would show you a diagram, do that there.
And that's it.
Here, Thomas, he
Yeah,
held
well,
his leg, and held on, says, no, you're not using that. This is a muscle. And until William would get it right, Thomas would say, he was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. As you already know, we've already tried.
We wouldn't hesitate to make it.
Absolutely. And we will be going on social media to tell them.
And I intend to come back again once this knee gets ready to come.
Yes.
Because it will come eventually.
Yeah, this other knee
So
done,
we'll
because
come back.
this will be the only place we will come. This is
Definitely.
second to none.
I'm just very happy with our whole experience.
Absolutely. And the fact that you coordinated everything, the fact that you organised someone to pick us up at the airport, and even because I was here with William, you took me out on excursions, you were there at the end of the phone
If we need anything.
if we needed anything. Was just amazing. Even though I didn't need anything, I knew you were there if I did. Or if I had a question that I thought maybe was too complicated, for some of the nurses, all I had to do would be to phone you and ask you, and you would sort that out. Absolutely amazing. It's brilliant.
Yeah, that's not big sport, really.
No, it is not. Could not call it.
Oh, one more.
Oh my goodness. There's no way William would have. Yeah, it's very, very,
Very,
nice.
very nice.
Very nice.
I'd love to spend more time on visiting
Yeah.
mines and things like that, but
Yeah. He will go down the mine, and maybe I'd let him. Say, keep it down there.
Right.
But no, I loved it. I loved going for the walks and the lakes, and it was really nice.
And enjoyed the shopping.
Oh, I've enjoyed the shopping, yes. I like this because Krakow is a big city. I like this. This is more the sort of place that William and I like. It's small, quiet, and just so nice.
Restful.
Yes, very peaceful. Yeah, very peaceful.
Right.